a nigga hit the lottery, so when you going up, how can you plummet? Damn, you stun it. On the land, when you expand the grands, they understand who run it. In the jam, you brung it. Coming from all the fans, the Kansas City man do.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the lighting. It is not bright outside at all. I think it's going to rain. I don't know what's going on with this weather, but y'all know I like brightness, sunshine, all of that. So welcome to my what I eat in a day video on keto. So today I'm going to be starting off eating my breakfast. It is late in the day, kinda. It's 12:31. I just got through feeding the kids about an hour and a half ago. They had pancakes, eggs, bacon, which I could have ate the eggs and bacon, but I couldn't eat the pancakes. So everybody's ate except my husband hasn't. So I'm about to make me a breakfast sandwich. And I'm gonna be making it using 90-second keto bread. So I think I'm gonna have me a breakfast sandwich and some yogurt. So what you'll need for the 90-second breakfast sandwich, you will need an egg. I just still had the eggs out from when I cooked for the kids. Any cheese of your choice. I'm using mozzarella. I'm gonna be this I'll get to next. You'll need a pinch of salt. I use pink Himalayan. You need a bowl to, you know, form your bread in. You'll need almond flour, some kerrygold butter, and some baking powder. And then I'm gonna put this turkey sausage in the middle of my actual bread, and I'm trying to think, do I want to put an egg on top? I don't know. I might put some scrambled egg on top just to make it even look even better or whatever. Okay, you guys, so what I'm doing now is just taking my almond flour. You can get this from anywhere, and I'm just putting 3 tablespoons of almond flour. And I would suggest the almond flour that you get, make sure it's low in carbs. The one I have, I think, is about 3 carbs for 2 tablespoons, if I'm not mistaken. Now I'm just taking 1 tablespoon of any cheese of your choice, and now I'm gonna take 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of my pink Himalayan salt, and 1 large egg. And then I'm gonna take some melted butter, 1 to 2 tablespoons will do, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mix all of that up really well, and get ready to put it in the microwave. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the mixture and put it in the microwave for exactly 90 seconds so that we can have our 90-second keto bread. So the bread is done. This is what it looks like, the shape of the bowl. So I am gonna cut this to look like, you know, a top and bottom of a sandwich. So yeah, you'll see that a little bit later, but it's nice and firm, and I'm just gonna let it cool. So I cut the top off, and I went ahead and cut the other 2 pieces in half. Took my egg that I cooked, my sausage, and a piece of cheese, popped it in the microwave so the cheese can melt. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of my sweet jam with stevia. I've showed you guys this before. I got it off of Amazon. The macros are really good, so I'm just gonna add some on top of the cheese into the other slice of the 90-second keto bread, and we are finished. Here's my 90-second bread, egg, sausage, cheese breakfast sandwich, my Too Good yogurt, and my good old H2O in my coldest water bottle. Check out the coldest water bottle. All the information will be down in the description box. Thank y'all for sending me this. So y'all will see this bottle in a lot of my what I eat in a days or my mukbang, keto mukbangs. So yeah, make sure to check the description box. So this thing is ice cold, keeps your stuff cold for hours on hours. So I actually have two. I have the black and I have a white. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and taste this sandwich and see if it's worth it. Okay. This is really good, y'all. So this is my first meal today, and if I have a snack, I'll come to you guys later. I don't know if I will, because this entire meal is a total of, excuse me, 7.5, almost 8 carbs. So I don't know if I'll eat a snack. I might, but I will see you guys later on tonight. And tonight we're gonna do stuffed portobello mushrooms. So yeah, I'm finished eating.
Mama, by the way, Joe.
Hey y'all, so it is later in the day. Yeah, the girl looks a little more put together. So I'm going to make my stuffed portobello mushrooms. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all everything that I'm gonna put in the mushrooms and all that stuff. So I have my portobello mushrooms, 2 large ones. I have my ground beef, and I got these from Aldi's. I have a can of Rotel. These cans of Rotel, you know, they got carbs in them. So, let's see. It's about 4 carbs for, is it the whole can? For half a can. So, I'm probably going to only use half a can anyway in my mixture. I got some cheese for the top. And I got cream cheese. So, I'm going to mix. You'll see what I'm going to do, y'all. This is going to be my first time doing this. I hope it comes out right. I was trying to find the easiest, simplest way to make a stuffed portobello mushroom. I pray it's good. My seasonings, I'm going to just season my meat up real good and then season my mixture. You can use whatever seasonings you want. So that's what I'm going to do. I know somebody gonna ask about this hair, but this hair, if y'all didn't see it earlier in the video, because who knows, my hair might be wrapped up. This hair is from Curls. It's called the Caroline wig, 16-inch kinky blown out wig. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to go ahead and cook my meat and everything like that, and this will be my last meal. And I don't think I'm eating anything else with it. I think I'm gonna try to eat both of these. If I don't, I might eat some broccoli with it. We might do some broccoli. Let me make sure I got some broccoli, because I don't know, because who knows if I'm gonna like it or not. Do we have broccoli? Let's see, spinach. Do we have broccoli? Please tell me about broccoli. Well, you know what, instead I'll do some green beans. So I'll do some green beans. So yeah, I might do 2 stuffed portobello mushrooms. I'm gonna make them both, and then I'll have some green beans with it, and that'll be my last meal today. So I'm just going to brown my meat up really well, and I use whatever seasonings I wanted. I don't measure. I did black pepper, probably onion powder, garlic powder, what else did I use? Parsley flakes, oregano. I used a whole lot of stuff. I like my stuff to be spicy. So yeah, I'm just gonna cook my meat up really good, and of course you're gonna drain it after you cook it and everything like that. So now here I'm just going to take my portobello mushrooms, and I'm just going to basically clean out the inside. So just remove, I guess, this part of the mushroom. I don't know. I'm just cutting it all out. I'm also going to remove the little stump thing, and then I'm also just gonna be scraping out the little black inside part with a spoon, just to get as much as I can out of it. And I'm just gonna do that to both of them. I kind of tore one of the mushrooms, which sucks. I was trying to be really careful, but the girl was doing too much. So that's how it should look. And after you clean them out, just dry them off really well. And here's where I'm just cutting off the little stump. So now I'm just adding a little bit, like half, not even fully half of a can of the Rotel mix. And I'm just going to mix that up really well. Like I said, that has carbs in it, so I didn't use too much. I'm just going to put my whole block of cream cheese and start mixing it up and let it melt down. And this is what it'll start looking like, I'm sorry. Also, I seasoned this as well. I season as I go just to make sure everything tastes well. Cover it and let it cook some more. Now I'm just taking some of my Kerrygold butter and I'm just gonna put it in my little baking dish. That way I can just have the mushrooms cook and have like some flavoring at the bottom and everything like that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and stuff it, and then we're going to put it in the oven. I put it in the oven on 375 and I put it in there for about 15 minutes because, you know, the filling was already cooked, and I'm just gonna cook the mushrooms for about that amount of time. And now I'm just gonna do my green beans. Season them however you like. I season them with the chili lime seasoning, some black pepper, probably some onion powder and all that good stuff. And then I'm also going to add some butter to it as well. Yes, more butter. And I'm just gonna let that cook up. And now I'm just gonna add some cheese and put this back in the oven for an additional 5 minutes. That way the cheese can just melt. But they were pretty much done, and here's the end result. My green beans with some feta cheese. Y'all, I'm about to smash. It smells amazing. So I got my water, quick trip ice, my bye just in case. So I'm gonna taste this. I hope it's good. I really do.
I don't think we can do that. You in the lava? Why are you trying to dig out? Last time I did that did not work. So you've been here before? Yes. Darling, look, I'm in the lava.
It's actually really good. Finish eating my food, and that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed my what I eat in a day on keto video. I must say this came out very, very well. The filling, the mushroom is cooked good. It's nice and soft. My green beans are amazing with that feta cheese. Like, this was really, really good. I wanted to eat the second one, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna get full because of the filling. So I might just save the second one for another time. These green beans are so good. So,
No, I'm trying to find it.
ooh, yeah. My husband would like this. I should probably save him that other one. I don't know. Ooh. So you guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.